is there? Oh, wait till I come there and come and see you. Because this is the final time. You need to stop trying to take my mom away from me. But I can in a split second. I don't care. Yes, you do. Because I'm gonna take your mom away from you now. This is it. This is the last time I've been speaking to you, Dad. I'm hanging up. Big time, rush time, it's been on like sea time. Well, you and I'll get you out my mind. Big time, rush time, it's been on like a sea time. Think about you and I, think about you and it's time. Like big time, rush time, it's been on like a sea time. Think about him and her. Get them out my mind. 'Cause all I think about is the time when you were together. Now it's all ending now. I can see it now, I can see it now. So turn it in my face, turn it upside down. Even now, believe now. When I get you, my mind. We had a good bond at the time of our life. We thought that we could spend the night at your house last night. But guess what they said? No, I don't want to say. All I hear is voices. Are you doing this today? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm staying now. I'm staying now. All I see is the news when people are getting killed. Like what I'm supposed to do with that now? All these lives are getting ruined. How can people be here right now? Right now. We thought that we could have the best time of our life. We thought that we could spend the night with you last night. I thought that we had the best time right now. But all these freaking new people are saying, no, you can't go out. I'm turning my life upside down. I'm thinking that I should spend the night at someone's house. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. We're only 5 minutes, 20 minutes away. How could that be so hard? I can walk up the street. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm staying. I think I'm going down. Laying down. I thought that we had the best time last night. I thought that I can go with you, but you said no, goodbye. I thought that we could have the best time last night. Instead, I'm over here thinking of when we had the best time last night. What have I done? I created a miracle now. I turned this life into a musical town. I feel like I'm in a musical trip. How do I get out? Do I turn my life right upside down? Do I think of what to do right now? Do I know what to do right now? Should I call my life a boring picture frame? Should I call my life you suck to rain? I thought that we could have the party last night. I thought I could go with you, but your journey isn't mine. I thought that I could talk to you and you said goodbye. I opened up the door and I started crying. Turn up my life upside down. Turn up my life upside down. Do I know how to get trapped right now? I thought that we had the party last night. I wanted to go with you, but your journey isn't mine. I turn my life into a musical, I can't get it right. I turn my life into a musical. I'm stuck right now. Stuck right now. Stuck right now. You said that you loved me, but you really truly hated me. I thought that I had a life where you could see me as a baby. I thought that I had a good life right now, but instead over you're hearing these screams in my head, like 9/11 turning 10 and 11, 7/11, cause people keep on saying 6, 7. Don't know what that means. I hear 41. What does that even mean? A basketball person's height. Why y'all making memes? Turn it into a fight. Walking around town like I'm not in sight. Y'all keep on calling me, but when I answer, y'all act like y'all can't hear me. I say here, and y'all say where, and I say right here, and you're like where? I don't even know. I'm gonna be grown. I don't wanna worry about those things anymore. Bills, 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 bills. All I hear is bills, bills, water bill, text bill. I don't even know the bill. Tired of this. I always get treated like I'm some type of ghost. Ghostbusters? Person busters? Don't even know what type of buster. I'm a bustin' move. How about you two? I'm a bustin' move right now into the town. Bustin' move and you can't get it down. Buster, 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 buster. I'm a buster, buster. I'm a buster, buster. Oh, my mom's calling me. Think about the time when you were home, you called my mom. She went to jail, you didn't see her now. She went to jail, oh bye now. Wow, she kicked me out the house. Gotta pay the bills. Talk about the crown of Jesus himself. I turn right now, and turn right now. 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 Right now. Right now. Here's the choreography fart. You wanna fart? What? My friend's calling me. Stop. I know I had you on speaker. Why are you saying fart? I'm trying to automatically talk to myself. Okay, bye. Here's the part that you wanna sing along. Here's the part that you wanna sing along. Here's the part that you wanna sing along and dance to. Turn around and grab the girls and turn around and grab. Turn around and grab your girls and boys. Turn around and grab your voice. Turn around and grab your voice. Turn around and grab your boys and your voice. Turn around, grab your boy. Turn around, grab your boy. Turn around, grab your voice. Turn around, grab your boy. Turn around, grab your boy and your voice. I'm sorry that I punched you a lot. That's not really what I got. That's not all that I got. And turn around and hit the stop. That's not all I got. That's not all I got. In the book. She's got the time. She's got a way. She's got right now. She's got her way. She's got her down. She's got a way. She's got a town. Listen to my voice now. Listen to myself, talking to my mirror. Hair done by myself, don't talk to my pink girl ever. I'm in my hoodie era, can't turn around, can't you see me now? Turn around in my head, but can't you see my mama ever? Turn around and grab your voice. Turn around, 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 grab your voice. Yeah. You thought that you could be my friend. Turn around and now's the end. Turn around and don't talk to me now. Turn around and you're friend. Turn around. Turn around, come to the turn, and don't you see my error? Turn around, do you see my error? I'm in my error. My parents keep telling me what to do. I can't get out your face cause you don't know me. I don't know you. Sometimes some people feel like I'm just another ghost. Some people talk to me rude and I don't know how that grows. My name is not yours, so don't disrespect it or I'll respect you. If you disrespect me, then I might still respect you. What? Why is that on here? You thought that you could be the best, but yesterday we had a fun time last night. Until I turned dark, until I opened up the doors, and you saw me now, and I don't know how. I thought I saw you, but you thought that you were so wrong. Y'all was K-pop demon hunters. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. I thought that I was me. Look, I'm not even trying to be so rude, but all I can find is just you. All I am seeing is just me, or is it just you? I'm so tired of this, I'm blocking them off my phone. I might as well just rip it and it's not so wrong. I don't know what I did, don't know what's so wrong. So am I head now, I'm so wrong. You thought you could get away with it. Now it's the end of your life. Now. I wanted to see myself. I can't really be myself. Be myself. I wanted to be myself. I was all mad about that. I'm trapped inside a cage and I can't get out. People are just so rude, don't you know that's so bad? I always thought of people being so rude and glad. I thought that I was me. And these people don't turn their back because all these people see you and bad. I thought that I was me. You thought that you could see me. And I thought I was me. You thought that you was me. I turned my life upside down. You turned your life right up and defeat me now. You thought that you had the best, and I'm the best ever yet. I thought that I can be the best, but you turned me back. You thought that I could follow the devil's path. I follow Jesus' way, and this is his way. And I don't know now. I don't know now. But these people are getting mad at me. So what did I do to be hurting you? And you are hurting me. People are hurting me right now, and this is just so aggravating, and I am so mad. I don't know what's wrong with me. I turn my life to 9 degrees. I turn your life into 5 degrees. Can you see me? 'Cause I can see you. You thought you had me. 'Cause you're just a loser. You thought that you had me now. You thought that you couldn't turn me around. 'Cause you're just a loser. A big L, just a fat loser. Big fat loser, turn it into a winner. You thought you were a loser, don't call yourself a winner. You think that you're a loser, turn your life into a winner. You thought you had me now, you thought you had me now. 'Cause you're just a loser. You thought you had me now. You just want me to the ground, just like how you were up and about. 'Cause you're just a loser, ugly backfire loser, ugly big fat loser. What the L and the loser? You thought you could turn yourself a winner. You thought you could have me now. You're just a loser. Do this. I've been being mean to everybody. Everybody thinks that I'm a loser. You are a loser. You are not a winner. And you keep on trying to defeat me thinking that you're better than everybody. Yeah, right. I thought I could be a loser, but I'm a winner, not a defeater. Just win now. Just win now. Just win now. I turn all these people bad. Thought I could be good, and you are so mad. What's wrong with me? I'm not ugly. I'm beautiful just the way I am. People think I'm so rude. But look at me. Just a fool. I think I should take it. This life is gonna be something I regret. You thought that you could be better. It's not that bad. The video that I made was called Lifetime. And the video that I made about, it's not about my parents. It's not really about my parents. It's like lifetime. Like sometimes this happens to people, sometimes it doesn't happen to people. But still, you still shouldn't bully people and don't get mad at your parents, because what they might tell you is probably gonna keep you safe. And be safe. I love y'all. Jesus loves y'all. And I did cry real tears actually. So yeah. Bye.